dead carried back from the dead.
Yeah, I don't know for how long. I don't know for how long.
Come on, Summernats, he's back from the dead. Give him a round of applause. Woohoo!
I'm impressed. Hey, there's his time too. Any longer, my man, we're quite happy with that.
Oh yeah. There it is. Gone floppy on him, but he's done all right.
Yeah, 60 seconds today is fine. We need more than that on a Sunday, but I reckon we need back. Round of applause.